If you're watching this, chances are you know about Scrum, or at least you've heard of it. And Scrum is based on lean thinking. Lean theory is a big part of what made Scrum what it is today and how it works. And when we look at lean product management, an incredibly important aspect is cadences and feedback loops. And I know what you're thinking. Oscar, isn't that just Scrum at that point? Well, yes and no, because you can do lean product management without the additional rules and structures within Scrum. We still need cadences and feedback loops. Now, if you're unfamiliar with those two terms of cadences and feedback loops, a cadence is just a rhythm, right? A daily rhythm, a weekly rhythm, a monthly rhythm, whatever it might be, a quarterly rhythm. And a feedback loop is just, when are you going to go from idea to asking someone a question and getting that answer back from the person who asked the question? Be that in terms of a system that is giving itself or something else of information to work on and act on, or reaching out to your stakeholders or customers to see, are you liking what we're building or not? And in lean product development, those are very important things because, of course, you're trying to minimize waste, and you can't reduce waste if you don't what is wasteful, which means you need to be checking in. But you also need to be sure you check in at the right frequency, the right cadence. Make sure you're not checking in too much, because then, well, you are wasting things, right? You're wasting time, energy, effort, etc. And the feedback loops make sure that whatever you're building and getting at the door is the right stuff, or at least closer to the right stuff, which again eliminates waste. See how that waste word is very important when we're talking about lean? Well, it's one of the big parts of it. But the feedback loops also act as a health check, as a sense check to make sure that we are again looking at the overall and that we're continuing to improve our system. So by setting up these cadences and feedback loops at different levels and within different parts of your system, your team, your organization, your business, you get a feel for what's happening. You can think of it as different sensors in different parts that are at a regular interval gathering data so that we can look at it and act on it and make correct decisions to deliver value and reduce waste and become more efficient and effective as an organization.